So please go ahead.
Insights are your combination of your research that serve as triggers for design innovation.
Yes. Insight, remember the first person talked about collecting data and not passing judgment. Once this data come in, insights, they become insights. How many of you know that? Data are insights, right? So they become insights. Also, insights are your discoveries from your research that will serve as triggers for design ideation. They will help you as triggers for design ideation. Remember that, okay? Don't sign for anybody. Don't sign your own like just sleep. Don't sign for anybody. Remember, we are filming everything. There's a camera filming everything. If you sign for somebody, they're going to see it inside the camera. Don't sign for nobody. Okay, now sign and leave, okay? So next, the jump line.
When reflecting the problem, the three main questions are: what do we know about the problem? How do we be thinking about the problem? What questions do we have about the problem?
Yes. Okay, guys, listen now. Listen now. He said, when reflecting on a problem, the three main questions are: what do we know about the problem? How could we be thinking about the problem? What questions do we have about the problem? Okay? Good. Sign and leave. Next. We're going like this. You have done? Yes.
Design thinkers believe all problems are solvable.
Is that true or false? Design thinkers believe all problems are solvable. Is that true or false? No. Is that true or false? Huh? It's true. Okay, good. So, okay, now, the four parts of... Okay, guys, come on. Who's next? No, she's next. Oh, yeah. You, have I not called you?
The four parts of people-centered design: 1, problem discovery; 2, research and analysis; 3, concepting and building; 4,
You can't sign there.
4, usability testing; refining and featuring.
So, the four parts for people-centered design: number 1, problem discovery, research and analysis, concepting and building, usability testing, refining and pitching, right? So we move to the, okay, she's the first person in class.
An important aspect of design is to know that you are not the user.
Yes. So this is what she said. An important aspect of design is to know that you are not the user. Is that true or false? Is that true or false? Is it true? Come and sign. You are correct. Yes. The rest of you did not know. She's not more than me. I had a 10 mark. It is true. It is true. It is true. She got it. It is true. The rest of you could not answer that question. Next. Okay, you are next. Okay, you've done. Yeah. So we'll go like that. Yeah, let's go.
A customer persona is not a specific individual from a target, but a representative of a group of people.
So a customer personnel is not a specific individual from a target group, but a representative of a group of people. Okay? Next. Who is the next person? You are next. Oh, yeah, stand up. So we move like that and go like that. sit down. Go and sit down. Don't disturb them. The analysis for design is the team you see amid all of the users' story you hear. The analysis for your design is the team you see amidst all the user story you hear. So go and sign. Sign. If you don't sign for somebody else, sign and leave. Okay? When you are signing, it's also part of design. Ability to be what you need to be is part of design. Okay? Yes. That's the way it is. And remember, you are in a creative class. You are in a creative class in front of all of creation. We are all creative. So be at your best. I always emphasize that. And I encourage you to use your digital devices, your smartphones, your camera to film this class. Yes. Next. Okay, you have. Okay, you jumped here.
Design thinking requires you to emphasize, collaborate, and think outside the box.
She said design thinking requires you to empathize, collaborate, and think outside the box. Okay, go outside. Next.
A customer journey map is a visual aid to display the customer's experience buying, using your products and services.
She said a customer's journey map is a visual aid to display the customer's experiences buying, using your products and services. That's correct. No, next. You done? So it goes.
Central design on the principles, research, combining, analysis, and creating.
Yes. People-centered design is founded on principles based in research, combining analysis and creative design. Again, people-centered design is founded on principles based in research, combining analysis and creative design. I will read that one more time. People-centered design is founded on principles based in research, combining analysis and creative design. Next. We'll get to you. Oh, okay. So you have to, because our work is here. Guys, you're in front of the camera. So here, you have to present what your group did. So, talk about your envelope and then show us the signal. Okay, let's go. You're in front of the camera. Talk to the class. Just explain to them what you did, how it was it.
The project is about the words we wrote, my group members.
Talk to them, not me. Guys, calm down.
The words we wrote on envelope relating to creativity, we wrote screenplay, characters, essay, basically everything relating to script writing. We also wrote script writing, the process of writing stories in screenplay, and it was printed.
Talk to them. See, listen. When you're in front of an audience, guys, it's a learning process. When you're in front of an audience, you have to be composed. And you want them to understand you, so you can't be staggering. So be composed and talk to them.
Yes.
You can't be laughing too. You have to be serious. Okay? Yeah, let's go. Do it again one more time.
My group members and I wrote everything related to creativity. We wrote mostly about script writing. We wrote the meaning of script writing, which is the process of writing stories in screenplay. Yeah, thank you. And it was
You see, guys, When I talk about knowing your pitch and mastering your niche, can you see what she's doing now? She's not delivering. You have to be able to tell, it's like you're selling the product to them. You have to be able to tell us what this is and what this is. Do it to them. They're not applauding you. That's a fake applause. Do it again. Do it again, yes.
My group members and I, we wrote about creativity, but we focused on script writing. We wrote the meaning of script writing, which is the process of writing stories in the screenplay, and it was printed on a singlet.
Okay, guys, listen to this. She said we wrote about creativity and design with a focus on what? Script writing. That's what she said. For that, she will get a 10 mark. Now, and we have to deduct 5 marks from that because she's not composed. Yes. You see, they're like, no. Can I do it? Let me do it. Sit down. Don't worry, it's a learning process. Sit down. In the class of creativity and design, we focused on script writing, and we started by putting down our idea on an envelope, which is 100 naira. From that, we moved and developed further to turn the design into a singlet that now gives us usability. That is intelligence made what? Visible. It's as simple as that. Is that good? Okay, so you have 5 marks. Go and put that. You should have gotten a 10 mark. I gave you enough room to get 10 marks. Okay, so we move on. Okay, so who is next? Who is next? No, we're going like this now. You stand up now, and you're sitting down. Now let's go.
We have 9 family members in the agile team. Data design, UI design, back-end developer, front-end developer, quality people, assurance, marketers, project managers, CEO, business people, and product personnel.
Okay, good. So what she said is that we have 9 primary members in our agile team. We have the UX designer, which is the user's experience designer. We have the UI designer, which is the user's interface designer. We have the back-end developer, front-end developer, quality assurance, marketers, project managers, and CEO, business people, and product personnel. Look for a name and sign. Okay, so who is next? Yeah, move.
The user's experience has to be
So she said the user's experience has to be expandable. That means when you are designing, you should give room for you to expand your design. For example, this singlet now, we can come back, if there's demand for this singlet, you can go back to the original copy to print more. But if we don't have the original copy, we won't be able to expand our design. Okay? Sign it. Okay, so the next one, who is next? Oh yeah, now you have done. You're next. You've done. Who is next to you? Have you done? So why you sitting stand your next? No, they have to like stand up, quick. You guys have done already. You have done already. So she said front-end developer translate design into codes, right? Okay, cool. Back-end developers make sure that all works well and that all logic is functioning perfectly for users to have enjoyable experience. The UI, user's interface, is the responsibility of the user's interface designer to the designer's team to make sure everything looks and feels good. The interface, the visual look is about the user's design. Next, who is next? Next in that line. Next in that line. Have you done it?
Yes,
Have you done it?
yes.
Oh yeah. Guys, listen to this very well.
Innovative, willingness to learn, creating values of healthy well-being, willingness to develop and grow, creating better experiences.
Yes. So listen to this. Innovative, willingness to do things differently, creating values of wealthy, healthy being. Learnability, willingness to develop and grow, creating better experiences. Next. Okay. So guys, this is a question for her. Guys, listen up. Is analysis one of the 5 ingredients of the user's experience? Go and sit down. Is analysis one of the... Guys, look at the question to her. Is analysis one of the 5 ingredients of user's experience?
Yes.
Good. Sorry. Next, quick. Okay. Empathy allows us to know our customers' need. True or false? Is it true? Sorry. Okay. Who is next? You answer. Okay, yeah. Okay. One of our business goals is to increase profits. True or false? Okay. Now, another one.
Someone need to question.
No, hold on. When you are doing users interview, you should judge them.
No.
Okay. No. Don't worry, next week you have enough of chance to attempt. Okay, guys. Who is next? Guys, all of you have done. Have you done? Okay, you will be next now. Be prepared though, you are going to do a very big one. Okay, now, when you are designing and you have to go to the market to buy some of the things you need for your design, in the first stage of it, right? And the cost is 500 naira. That's easy. The cost for you to buy those things is 500 naira. In the second stage of design, where you want to make it more perfect, will the cost reduce or the cost will increase? The cost, you have a 10 mark. The cost will increase. No, it's a very tough question. She got it. Next. If this guy is able to do this, he's going to have 20 marks. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Were you in class at the beginning of the class? You were not in class. So you, okay. Don't worry, let's see. Let's see what you do. Okay. Use this slide to tell us about the class of creativity and design. Use the slides to tell us about creativity and design. And speak to the students. We're hearing you. So look at it that you're in front of the whole of Facebook, the whole of the universe. And you want to tell us about creativity and design. Listen to us. For 20 months.
Our name is creativity.
You are talking to them.
Our name is creativity and design. And we have 55 followers, probably from members of our article. Our info, the value creativity, value spirituality, and intelligence is one of our core values. These are some of the practices.
You can do slide. You can move it. You can move. Who is that?
This one.
Who is that? Who is that in the class?
Our teacher.
Yes, use the slides to do it now. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Move to the next one, move to the next one. Sit down. Move to the next one. Okay, let's start from here.
Thinking is creativity and design.
Okay, guys. Let me come in. Guys, is he able to do it the way I do it? No. Who said yes? If you say yes, raise up your hand. Was he able to do it the way I do it? Yes, sir. If you say yes, raise up your hand. Guys, calm down. If you say yes, raise up your hand. Because I will call you to come and do it. And if you fail, I will deduct 10 marks from you. So, you have 5 marks. You know what you did? You were able to talk about this. You were able to talk about the core values. You were able to talk. So you have your 5 marks. Sign, let's go. Now, guys. Who was in class early? Oh yeah, me. You are the one. Oh yeah, come. Yes. No, that's you. She has not done. Yeah, come and do. So you are going to. She will be the one to present. She was in the class at the beginning. So as a matter of fact, she has to go through. I want to test something. So you have to start from here. You have to navigate through everything. Start from here. Navigate to the folder and everything. If you can get it 20 marks. Sis, there are some people that want to try. If you can do it, 20 marks. I have to explain what you're doing to the students.
Okay. Let's start from the beginning. First, go to
Talk about what you're doing. You are looking for edupreneurship. Where is edupreneurship? It's not in that storage, it's in another storage. It's in another storage. Where is the other storage? Okay, look for edupreneurship. So you are looking for creative classes. Go back. Yes, and you are looking for design application. Design application. Yes, you now see your slides, and from there you be able to navigate. Yes, now. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop her from here. Okay, we have a 5 marks instead of a 20. Guys, ability to present is very, very important in creativity and design. More so in marketing. Now, somebody has offered drive for 20 marks. If you get it, you get that 20 marks. Guaranteed. Oh yeah, let's go. Shall you say you want to do it? If you don't want, give somebody else the chance. For 20 marks, hold on. And you have to say everything you are doing to the class because they have to learn from you. And the camera is recording it, so I want you to behave like me. Oh yeah, let's go.
So we will be working with Rider, then we are going to the class drive, then we see a trainership, so we tap it. Then we go to creative
Classes.
That's here, so you tap it again. Then design application, tap it. Then we are looking for
Design application, yes.
design application.
Okay, from the design application now, guys, she was actually able to interact. How many of you know that what she's doing is the same thing she would do if she was on the website? Yes! She just interacted with the website. It's just like it's offline. How many of you believe that? That's what she did. That is what she did. But you see, she was able to do it and navigate. Did you see how she was explaining herself? And she got here, she got the 20 marks. Now, if you want to get another extra 10 marks, to get 30 marks, present the class.
So this is creativity and design. It's a class that goes on in Covenant University, taken by 400 of students. These are the works of students in creativity and designing. This is our lecturer, Mr. Aboyade. Then we have creating a page for creativity and design. Then these are the process, we created patterns, but when creating it was already taken by another individual, then we had to use Kampala patterns as they named. Then yes, we have different things that we have created.
She got the 30 marks. Guys, she got the 30 marks. And yes, she got the 30 marks. And the reason why she got the 30, guys, listen. The reason why she got the 30 marks was because everything she's saying, she's doing. Everything she's saying, she's doing. And you have to remember, she did not practice this before now. It's from what she learned in class. She did not even make it any last class. You're right? She did not make it any. This is the first time I presented this Kampala pattern. I didn't present it in the last class. So for her to have come from the beginning, knowing the storage drive, knowing the folders, being able to get us to this place where we can able to see our creativity and design, she got 30 marks. Put 30 marks. Please applaud that, please. Thank you very much. This is also what your customers, your users of your product and services must do when they use your product or your services. You see, I've created an educational service. What has she done as a user? She has used it. If I'm not here now, she can teach the class. Imagine if she spends a one-on-one with me for another 2 weeks teaching her about how to do this. She will be perfect at it. Now you see why users' experience is very important. Even from her interactivity, I can develop further on how she can use this in her own comfortable expression, using her own languages. Can you see that? We can also build something like this with our own pictures, with our own name, teaching creativity and design to secondary school students, to other students who are on maybe 100 levels and so on, and be making money from that online. Can you see what we're saying? So that's the idea. So now, guys, who wants to come in here? Guys, listen, I'm going to give another opportunity. Who wants to come in here, and this time around, you will go through notes, and teach this class for 30 marks. For 30 marks. You will teach this class class about what is called design thinking. Who wants to do that? For 30 marks. You'll be able to teach us using notes. Listen to the question again. We have applications here. Using notes, you will have to write. Just like that is everything I've done. Teaching you in this class, you have to do it. But this time around, you are teaching us a simple topic called design thinking. Who wants to do it for 30 marks? I'm giving you all of it. Why is everybody not? Only one person. No. Only one person. Guys, all of you at the back there. I can't see your hand. So what are you? Where are you from? Come, take this. Come and take this. Just read this. So you are the teacher now, and you want to teach us. Okay, you know what you're going to do? Teach us creativity and design, and you must be laudable. Teach us creativity and design, and also with a focus on design thinking. And tell us everything you are doing. Before you even start that, tell us everything you are. Go back. See how she was interacting. Make it, explain everything you are doing to them. Who are you? You did not even tell us the name of our instructor and stuff like that. I mean, you are the teacher. Why you take the class?
Okay, I'm Abdul.
Talk to them, and be laudable.
My name is Abdul. I am an industrial mass coordinator. I am going to be taking on creativity and design with focus being design thinking. So I'm going to use notes to illustrate how creativity and design works. I'm going to use notes to illustrate how creativity and design work. For that, everybody can be creative. Anything can be creative. You just have to expand the way you think. So, in design thinking, like, first step is, I would say, is using your imagination. So, say this is design thinking. Excuse my handwriting. Then I said first thing is imagination. Imagine. Then you have to, after imagining it, you write it down, put it down, something simple. Because if you keep it on something like something that you can, that's not important, it allows for change and improvements. Then expand it, because now that you have it on something like what I call like an envelope, you have it on something like an envelope, you can expand and create something like this, or a t-shirt or stuff like that. And adapt, because after expanding it and then showing what your design, not everybody will like it. So based on what the output you get from other people, adapt and change, and then put it back out again, and then rinse and repeat. That's how you expand. That's how you expand your design thinking.
Okay, guys, clap for him. Now, guys, he's using, this is what he did, that is good. He's using his own language to tell us about how you use design thinking in the creative process. That means sometimes you have to start by imagining, coming up with ideas, and then write it down, or just jot it down somewhere, draw it, and stuff like that. Before it becomes something like a t-shirt, which is a product, you can test it, and in the testing, you have to adapt to things that is good for you to expand, what is not good, discard, learn from that process, for you to now start launching again in a better direction. Now, that is also design thinking. Did he do good? Was he coherent? Was he comfortable? Was he composed? Was he able to deliver? Can we learn from what he has said? Yes. For that, you have a 20 marks. A 20 marks. The other lady was better. Yes. So now, guys, last chance. And I'm going to call somebody. Oh, yes, stand up. Yes. Come over. Okay. So here's the pen. You are going to be our teacher. You are going to be our teacher. So here's the question. Let me stand in front of the camera. So here's our teacher. She's going to introduce her name to the camera, to everybody in space, and teach us creativity and design in less than 3 minutes. So you have 3 minutes to teach us what creativity and design is. And please, we want to see something on the board. Yes. So start with your name and everything. Just like you are the teacher now. You are in a secondary school or in a university. You are representing Covenant University, and you have to tell them what creativity and design is all about. Oh yeah, let's go.
My name is...
You have to speak out loud because we can't hear you. Okay, try.
Yeah, my name is I'm talking about creativity and design. So basically, creativity and design talks about how like an individual is able to express themselves like in a unique way. So that's just you being unique and it's your own idea. So and design is you like putting it down and expressing it so that others can see. So that's expressing. So in creativity and design, you have to come up with something that maybe doesn't have to be new. It can be something old, but like you express it in your own way. So when you do that, then you put it down, you make it visible for people to see. You make it unique, you make it new in your own way. So make it like this year, it's an expression of creativity and design. Personal idea to design, creativity and design and put it on the shelf. Express yourself by putting it on the shelf. So that is what creativity and design is.
Guys. There's something that happened in the video. She made a reference to a t-shirt. Now, if the t-shirt was not created, would there be a reference? Would there be a reference? Yes. So now you see that when you are creating, the student that created this, they did not know that she will be using it as an example in her own presentation. What has their creation done? What has their design? The design has become an educational service. Did you get that? So this little thing she has done now is a video. In 1 billion years from now, people will still be watching her doing this. Why are you laughing? That is the reality. See, those who wrote the Bible, the Quran, and so on, they are dead and gone. But we're still reading them. You can't deny that reality. This is opportunity for you to write what people will read in a billion years. So you have to put in your best. Thank you very much. Are you signed? You signed it. You have a 10 marks. She did 10. Okay, so guys, you can put the 10 there. So guys, next week I will be giving some of you opportunity to do this again. And remember now, when you are able to be comfortable standing, being who you are, and what you have in front of a digital device, and in front of people, it shows that you know what you are doing. And it is also great for you, because you will have to do that anyway in front of your friends, your family, your church members, your co-workers, and so on. So the earlier you are used to it, the better. Okay? That's part of creativity and design as well. So, to end the class, who has not signed? Is there anybody who has not signed? My sister, have you signed? No, she. Have you signed? You've not signed? But you've done, you came out before. You've not read the envelope. Okay, come over. Is your turn? So everybody at the back has signed, okay? So come over. So I want you to come over. Come over. So let's go.
When creating HIMC, the path for people-centered design and flexible and their ability to create a patch people think of it. Because of space.
Say the paths for people-centered design are flexible and they allow you to repeat a path if you need or want to. So that's you want to come and
Okay. Prototyping helps speed up the innovation process and makes the outcome more relevant.
So she said prototyping helps to speed up the innovation process and makes the outcome more relevant to customers. So thank you very much. So today my name is Oluwole Aboyade. My name is Oluwole Aboyade, and my phone number is +234 702 505 7638. S.O. Aboyade at gmail.com. So I'm your teacher and facilitator. Yes. And I can put creativity. And so that's it. So that's my contact. So thank you very much for coming. Until next time, stay healthy, well-being. See you next Wednesday. Thank you. So we're in class 3OC now. We've moved from 401 upstairs to downstairs to class 301C. Yes. C301 or 301C. So you want to let's go. So come and read for the camera to close this. Yeah, come and read this. Read this to the camera.
A customer persona is not a specific individual from a target group, but a representative of.
Okay. So what she said is a customer persona is not a specific individual from a target group, but a representative of a group of people. What?